doing. Okay, so I want to show y'all something. So these are Skittles. And can you see how long that ingredient list is? Like, there's nothing good about this crap. And I kind of wanted something junky, but once I saw that ingredient list, nope. They don't have any chocolates here that I can eat. So that's it for game. I'm gonna buy this brown rice and water, and then go look somewhere else for some fruit. Alright, have a good one. I'm gonna go look somewhere else for some jars. Billy. I don't feel like I just end up getting a ring light. I don't feel like tampering with electricity. So here we're at game, about to check out. So I'm gonna cut the video off again and see you once I'm out of the store.